The 2008 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.